Welcome, weary traveler, to a quiet corner of the cosmos, a place where the universe whispers its secrets and the gentle hum of discovery lulls you into a peaceful slumber. Here, with the Sleepy Scientist, we don't rush through the wonders of the world. Instead, we invite them in, softly, allowing their grandeur to unfurl like a calming dream. Tonight, as you settle in, perhaps nestling deeper into your pillow or letting your eyes gently drift closed, we're going to embark on a journey that delves into the very fabric of your being. How long can you really live? It's a question that whispers of the future, of cherished moments, and of the incredible biological machine that is your body, patiently working through the cycles of life. As you relax, let your thoughts drift, much like the gentle passage of time itself. Imagine the countless living beings around you, each with its own lifespan, from the mayfly that lives for a single day to the ancient bristlecone pine that endures for millennia. And then there's us, humans, with our own unique journey through time. It's a breathtaking thought, isn't it? And it's this very mystery that prompts our gentle inquiry tonight. We won't rush to the answers. Instead, we'll explore them with the same slow, deliberate pace that life itself maintains on its incredible journey. This isn't about memorizing facts, it's about understanding, about feeling the profound elegance of your own biology, and letting that understanding guide you towards a truly restful state. So, breathe deeply, let your muscles soften, and prepare to unravel one of the most fundamental mysteries of our existence. Not with effort, but with quiet curiosity. Our story, like many great biological tales, begins with the blueprint for all life, the intricate code that defines who you are, your DNA. Think of DNA as the ultimate instruction manual, a vast library of information contained within almost every cell of your body. This incredible molecule carries the genetic information passed down from your ancestors, dictating everything from the color of your eyes to the way your heart beats. And crucially, it also contains instructions that play a significant role in determining your lifespan. Within your DNA, there are specific segments called genes. These genes are like individual chapters in that instruction manual, each containing the code for building specific proteins or regulating various cellular processes. Some of these genes are intimately involved in the complex dance of aging. They influence how quickly your cells repair damage, how efficiently your body processes energy, and how effectively your immune system defends against illness. While no single aging gene dictates your exact lifespan, a constellation of genes collectively contributes to your predisposition for longevity or susceptibility to age-related conditions. Imagine these genes as tiny, invisible artisans inside your cells, constantly working. Some artisans are skilled at repairing worn-out parts. Others are experts at cleaning up cellular waste. Some manage the energy flow to keep everything running smoothly. The specific versions of these artisans encoded in your DNA can be more or less efficient. For instance, some individuals inherit genes that provide robust DNA repair mechanisms, meaning their cells are better at fixing damage over time. Others might have genes that are particularly effective at producing antioxidant enzymes, which are like tiny cellular shields protecting against harmful molecules that cause aging. Still, others might have genes that influence their metabolism, making them more efficient at converting food into energy without creating much cellular stress. This genetic contribution creates what scientists refer to as a species-specific maximal lifespan. Every species has an inherent biological limit to how long its members can live, even under the most ideal conditions. A mouse, for example, regardless of how perfectly you care for it, will never live for 100 years. Its genetic blueprint simply doesn't allow for it. Humans, on the other hand, have a much longer genetically programmed potential. While the average human lifespan has increased dramatically due to advancements in medicine and living conditions, the theoretical maximal human lifespan, dictated by our intrinsic biology, is believed to be somewhere around 115 to 125 years. This means that even if you lived the most perfect, healthiest life imaginable, your body's built-in genetic programming would eventually set an upper limit. However, it's crucial to understand that your genetics are not your destiny when it comes to your individual lifespan within that species-specific range. Think of your DNA as a wonderfully complex musical score. It sets the notes, the melody, and the rhythm. But how beautifully that music is played, how long it endures, is influenced by the musicians, your cells, and the environment of the concert hall, your lifestyle, and external factors. While genetics lay down the fundamental framework and set the potential boundaries, they are only one part of the intricate puzzle that determines how long you, as an individual, can truly live. Identical twins, who share nearly identical DNA, often have different lifespans and health trajectories, demonstrating the powerful role of other factors. Imagine, as you relax deeper, the vast, intricate network of your own DNA, gently humming with instructions within every cell. Picture the countless genes, each playing its subtle part in the grand symphony of your life, influencing how gracefully your body ages and how resiliently it faces the challenges of time. This quiet, persistent blueprint, passed down through generations, is the very first secret to understanding how long you can really live. It's a natural, ongoing process, a quiet testament to life's inherent design, holding within it the silent code of longevity. Let the image of your own genetic blueprint, a delicate, intricate scroll of life's instructions, settle peacefully in your mind. This is the origin story of your potential lifespan, a journey that begins with the fundamental building blocks of who you are. Feel the quiet power of this unseen code, knowing that the very fabric of your being is alive with these ancient, guiding instructions. Rest deeply now, with the gentle hum of your DNA, carrying its timeless secrets, guiding you towards a truly peaceful slumber. Welcome back, peaceful traveler. As we continue our gentle exploration into how long can you really live in our last quiet chapter, we settled into the fundamental understanding of genetics as your life's blueprint, dictating the species-specific maximal lifespan and influencing your individual potential. Now, as you drift even deeper into your serene state, let us journey into the microscopic world within your cells, uncovering a remarkable biological timer that ticks away with every division, the fascinating story of telomeres. As you settle into your comfortable spot, feeling the quiet stillness of your surroundings, imagine the intricate dance happening inside your body every second. Billions of cells are constantly working, dividing, and replacing old or damaged ones. This continuous renewal is vital for life, allowing wounds to heal, skin to rejuvenate, and organs to maintain their function. But there's a limit to this cellular dance, a built-in clock that influences how many times a cell can divide before it reaches the end of its line. This cellular timer resides at the very ends of your chromosomes. Chromosomes are like tightly wound spools of DNA, containing all your genetic information. At the very tips of these chromosomes are special protective caps, much like the plastic tips, or aglets, on the ends of your shoelaces that prevent them from fraying. These protective caps are called telomeres. They don't carry any genetic code themselves, but their crucial job is to safeguard the precious DNA on the chromosome from damage during cell division. Think of it like this every time one of your cells divides to create two new cells. A tiny, almost imperceptible piece of its telomere is lost. It's like your shoelace aglet getting a little bit shorter with every step you take. This shortening happens because of the way DNA is replicated. The machinery that copies DNA simply can't quite copy the very end of the chromosome each time. So, with each successive cell division, your telomeres get progressively shorter. This continuous shortening acts as a biological counter. There's a limit to how short a telomere can become while still performing its protective function. When a telomere becomes too short, it's like the shoelace tip has frayed away completely, exposing the valuable genetic information. At this critical point, the cell receives a signal that it has reached its replicative limit. It then typically enters a state called senescence, where it stops dividing altogether. Or, in some cases, it undergoes programmed cell death, a process called apoptosis. This fundamental concept is often referred to as the Hayflick limit, named after Dr. Leonard Hayflick, who discovered in the 1960s that normal human cells outside of cancer cells can only divide a finite number of times, typically around 50 to 70 times, before they stop. This cellular aging plays a crucial role in the aging of tissues and organs throughout your body. As more and more cells reach their Hayflick limit, tissues lose their ability to repair and regenerate effectively, contributing to the overall decline associated with aging. Your skin might lose its elasticity, your muscles might weaken, or your immune system might become less robust, all partly due to cellular senescence. However, nature, being wonderfully complex, has a fascinating exception to this rule. Some specialized cells in your body, like stem cells, which are master cells capable of developing into many different cell types and endlessly self-renewing and, unfortunately, cancer cells, possess a special enzyme called telomerase. Imagine telomerase as a tiny magical repair crew that can actually rebuild and extend the telomeres, counteracting the shortening process. This allows these cells to bypass the Hayflick limit and continue dividing indefinitely. While telomerase is vital for replenishing tissues with new cells, its uncontrolled activity in cancer cells is what allows them to divide relentlessly, contributing to tumor growth. So, for the vast majority of the cells that make up your body, the telomeres are silently ticking, shortening a little with every division, acting as an internal clock that governs their lifespan and, by extension, contributes to your overall aging process. This isn't a rigid, unyielding doom, but a fundamental biological reality that shapes how long your tissues can effectively regenerate and maintain their youthful vigor. It's a beautifully intricate mechanism, a testament to the elegant design of your own biology. Patiently counting down the divisions. Imagine, as you relax deeper, the countless cells within your body, each diligently dividing, each with its tiny telomere clock silently ticking away. Picture these protective caps, guarding the precious genetic information, slowly shortening with each regenerative act. This quiet, persistent rhythm of cellular division and telomere shortening is the very second secret to understanding how long you can really live. It's a natural, ongoing process, a quiet testament to life's inherent design, holding within it the silent pulse of cellular longevity. Let the image of your cells, meticulously copying themselves, their telomeres gently shortening, settle peacefully in your mind. This is the heart of your body's internal clock, a journey that begins with the fundamental building blocks of who you are. Feel the quiet power of this unseen biological timer, knowing that the very vitality you possess is influenced by these microscopic protectors. Rest deeply now, with the gentle hum of cellular renewal, guiding you toward a truly peaceful slumber. Welcome back, peaceful traveler. As we continue our gentle exploration into how long can you really live in our last quiet chapter, we delved into the microscopic world of your cells, uncovering the fascinating story of telomeres, those protective caps that act as a biological timer, shortening with each cellular division. Now, as you drift even deeper into your serene state, let us contemplate a constant, invisible battle happening within your body, a ceaseless bombardment that contributes significantly to aging and disease, the relentless assault of cellular damage, particularly from free radicals. As you settle into your comfortable spot, feeling the quiet stillness of your surroundings, imagine your body as an incredibly complex, bustling city, powered by billions of tiny chemical reactions occurring within each cell. This metabolic activity, which converts the food you eat into energy, is absolutely vital for life. However, just like any bustling city produces waste, these essential chemical processes, as well as external environmental factors, inevitably generate some microscopic byproducts that can be harmful. These harmful byproducts are known as free radicals. Think of them as tiny, unstable molecules, like mischievous little sparks flying off a chemical reaction. What makes them unstable is that they have an unpaired electron, making them highly reactive and eager to steal an electron from other stable molecules in your body. When they steal an electron, they damage the molecule they took it from, turning that molecule into a new free radical, creating a destructive chain reaction. This process is called oxidative stress or oxidative damage. Imagine your cells as delicate, intricate houses. Free radicals are like tiny, relentless vandals, constantly trying to poke holes in the walls, cell membranes, rust the pipe's proteins, or even tamper with the blueprint's DNA inside. This damage, though microscopic, accumulates over time. DNA damage. Free radicals can directly attack and alter your DNA, the very blueprint of your cells. Damaged DNA can lead to errors when cells divide or can compromise their ability to function correctly. If these DNA errors aren't repaired, they can contribute to cellular aging, dysfunction, and even the development of diseases like cancer. Protein damage. Proteins are the workhorses of your cells, performing countless functions. Free radicals can damage proteins, causing them to lose their proper shape and function. Imagine a perfectly built machine part suddenly becoming warped. It can no longer perform its job effectively. Lipid damage. Lipids, particularly those in your cell membranes, form the protective outer skin of your cells. Free radicals can damage these lipids, compromising the integrity of cell membranes and making cells vulnerable. The sources of these free radicals are both internal and external. Internally, they are a natural byproduct of your cell's normal energy production metabolism. Every breath you take, every bite of food you digest, contributes to this microscopic generation of free radicals. Externally, you encounter them from various environmental factors. Air pollution, including smog and industrial chemicals, is a significant source of free radicals. Radiation exposure to UV radiation from the sun. X-rays, or other forms of radiation, can generate free radicals. Tobacco smoke. Smoking is a potent source of free radicals and causes immense oxidative stress. Certain foods, highly processed foods, fried foods, and unhealthy fats can contribute to increased free radical production. Thankfully, your body is not defenseless against this constant assault. You have an incredible internal defense system composed of antioxidants. Think of antioxidants as tiny, dedicated firefighters or shield bearers. They are molecules that can safely donate an electron to a free radical, neutralizing it and stopping the destructive chain reaction without becoming unstable themselves. Your body naturally produces some of these antioxidants, but you also get a crucial supply from your diet, especially from fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, which are rich in vitamins like C and E and other beneficial compounds that act as powerful antioxidants. However, despite these defenses, the battle is never fully won. Over a lifetime, some free radical damage inevitably slips through the defenses and accumulates. This persistent, low-level damage contributes significantly to the aging process. It's like the slow, steady wear and tear on a machine that has been running for many years. The cumulative effect of this cellular damage is one of the primary drivers of the physical decline and increased susceptibility to age-related diseases that characterize later life. Imagine, as you relax deeper, the countless, microscopic skirmishes happening within every cell of your body. Picture tiny, unstable sparks, free radicals attempting to cause havoc, and diligent little firefighters, antioxidants, tirelessly working to neutralize them. This quiet, persistent battle at the cellular level is the very third secret to understanding how long you can really live. It's a natural, ongoing process, a quiet testament to life's inherent dynamism and its continuous struggle against the subtle forces of decay. Let the image of your cells, diligently working and constantly defending themselves against tiny, unseen aggressors, settle peacefully in your mind. This is the heart of your body's internal resilience, a journey that begins with the fundamental chemistry of life. Feel the quiet power of this unseen battle, knowing that the very vitality you possess is influenced by these constant microscopic interactions. Rest deeply now, with the gentle hum of cellular activity, guiding you towards a truly peaceful slumber. Welcome back, peaceful traveler. As we continue our gentle exploration into how long can you really live in our last quiet chapter, we delved into the invisible battle raging within your cells, uncovering the relentless assault of free radicals and the cumulative oxidative damage they inflict. Now, as you drift even deeper into your serene state, let us contemplate a more insidious and pervasive enemy that often works silently, accelerating the aging process and laying the groundwork for many chronic diseases, the subtle, yet destructive fire of chronic inflammation. As you settle into your comfortable spot, feeling the quiet stillness of your surroundings, imagine your body's remarkable defense system, your immune system. When you get a cut or catch a cold, your immune system springs into action, sending an army of specialized cells to the site of injury or infection. This is acute inflammation, a vital, protective response. It's like a rapid, localized fire alarm, signaling that help is needed to heal and fight off invaders. This acute inflammation is a healthy, necessary process, ensuring your survival and recovery. However, sometimes this beneficial process goes awry. Instead of being a short-lived, targeted response, the inflammatory alarm system can become stuck in the on position. This leads to chronic inflammation, a persistent, low-grade, simmering fire that silently smolders throughout your body, often without immediate, noticeable symptoms. Think of it not as a raging wildfire, but as a subtle, persistent warmth, slowly and steadily damaging the delicate structures of your body over years and decades. It's a quiet, insidious foe, often working behind the scenes. What causes this chronic, smoldering fire? Unlike acute inflammation, which is triggered by clear injuries or infections, chronic inflammation can be stoked by a variety of modern lifestyle factors and environmental exposures. Unhealthy diet, a diet rich in processed foods, refined sugars, unhealthy fats like trans fats and excessive omega-6 fatty acids, and fried foods can constantly trigger your immune system, leading to low-grade, systemic inflammation. Imagine feeding your internal fire with highly flammable materials, keeping it perpetually burning. Chronic stress. The relentless pressures of modern life, sustained periods of psychological stress, can flood your body with stress hormones. These hormones, while useful for short-term fight or flight responses, can, when chronically elevated, suppress beneficial immune functions and simultaneously promote systemic inflammation. It's like having your body's alarm system constantly buzzing, even when there's no immediate threat, exhausting its resources and causing internal wear and tear. Lack of physical activity. A sedentary lifestyle can contribute to chronic inflammation. Regular physical activity, on the other hand, helps to regulate the immune system and has anti-inflammatory effects. Poor sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation can disrupt hormonal balance and immune function, leading to increased levels of inflammatory markers in the body. Environmental toxins, exposure to pollutants, chemicals, and toxins in our air, water, and food can also trigger persistent inflammatory responses in the body as your immune system tries to neutralize these perceived threats. Excess body fat. Adipose fat tissue, especially visceral fat around organs, is not just inert storage. It is metabolically active and can secrete inflammatory molecules, contributing to chronic low-grade inflammation throughout the body. The insidious danger of chronic inflammation lies in its stealth. You often don't feel it directly, unlike the pain of an acute injury. But over time, this persistent, low-level inflammation causes cumulative damage to your cells, tissues, and organs. It's like the slow, steady erosion of a riverbank, imperceptible day by day, but profound over years. This inflammaging, as some scientists call it, is a major contributor to the aging process itself and is a common underlying factor in many of the chronic diseases associated with aging. Consider the role of chronic inflammation in various age-related conditions. Heart disease. Chronic inflammation can damage the lining of blood vessels, contributing to the buildup of plaque in arteries, leading to atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes. Type 2 diabetes. It can interfere with insulin signaling, contributing to insulin resistance. Neurodegenerative diseases. Growing research suggests that chronic inflammation in the brain plays a significant role in the progression of conditions like Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Certain cancers. Chronic inflammation can create an environment that promotes cell proliferation and DNA damage, increasing the risk for certain types of cancer. Autoimmune diseases. In these conditions, the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues, leading to chronic inflammation that causes widespread damage. Imagine, as you relax deeper, a tiny persistent ember glowing softly within your body, not causing immediate pain, but subtly weakening the foundations of your health over decades. Picture this low-grade internal fire, quietly contributing to the wear and tear, making your body more susceptible to the effects of time. This quiet, yet profound reality of chronic inflammation is the very fourth secret to understanding how long you can really live. It's a natural, ongoing process, a quiet testament to life's inherent dynamism and its continuous struggle against subtle, internal forces of decay. Let the image of this subtle internal fire, often unseen yet tirelessly at work, settle peacefully in your mind. This is the heart of your body's long-term health, a journey that begins with the fundamental chemistry of your existence. Feel the quiet power of this unseen battle, knowing that the very vitality you possess is influenced by these constant microscopic interactions. Rest deeply now, with the gentle hum of your body's delicate balance, guiding you towards a truly peaceful slumber. Welcome back, peaceful traveler. As we continue our gentle exploration into how long can you really live in our last quiet chapter, we delved into the subtle yet destructive fire of chronic inflammation, understanding how this persistent, low-grade process contributes to aging and disease. Now, as you drift even deeper into your serene state, let us contemplate a profoundly influential factor that is entirely within your gentle control, a silent sculptor of your health and longevity, the immense power of your diet and nutrition. As you settle into your comfortable spot, feeling the quiet stillness of your surroundings, imagine your body as an incredibly sophisticated and efficient machine. Like any complex machine, it requires specific types of fuel and lubrication to run optimally, to minimize wear and tear, and to last as long as possible. The food you choose to put into your body is precisely that fuel, and its quality and composition profoundly influence every cellular process, every defense mechanism, and ultimately, your journey through time. Think of the vast array of nutrients your body needs: vitamins, minerals, proteins, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates. Each plays a vital role in maintaining the intricate balance of your biological systems. A diet rich in these essential components provides your cells with the building blocks they need for repair, the energy they need to function, and the protective compounds they require to fight off damage. One of the most intriguing concepts in the science of longevity is calorie restriction, not starvation, but consistently consuming fewer calories than usual while still obtaining all necessary nutrients. Imagine living creatures, from yeast to worms to mice, that when placed on a calorie-restricted diet, often live significantly longer, sometimes by 30% or more. This effect has been observed across a wide range of organisms and is one of the most robust findings in aging research. While direct evidence for humans is complex and still being studied, the principle offers a fascinating glimpse into how metabolism influences longevity. Why might calorie restriction work? It's thought to activate certain cellular pathways that are linked to stress response and repair, essentially signaling to the body that times are lean, and it should prioritize maintenance and survival over rapid growth and reproduction. It's like a thrifty organism focusing all its energy on keeping its machinery in perfect working order, rather than constantly expanding. This focus on repair and efficiency, rather than rapid fuel consumption, appears to slow down the cellular aging processes, potentially leading to a longer, healthier life. Beyond the number of calories, the quality of the food you consume plays an immense role in combating the forces of aging we've already discussed. Antioxidant-rich foods. Remember those mischievous free radicals causing oxidative damage. Your body's natural antioxidant defenses can be significantly bolstered by consuming foods rich in antioxidants. Imagine berries, colorful fruits, leafy green vegetables, nuts, and seeds as tiny, delicious shields, packed with compounds that neutralize free radicals, protecting your DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. These are like providing your internal firefighters with an endless supply of water to extinguish those damaging sparks. Anti-inflammatory foods. Recall the subtle, destructive fire of chronic inflammation, many foods have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help dampen this internal smolder. Think of omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, olive oil, and a wide array of colorful plant-based foods. These ingredients can help to soothe your body's inflammatory response, reducing the silent wear and tear on your systems. Conversely, a diet high in processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats can actively promote chronic inflammation, accelerating aging. Whole, unprocessed foods. A diet centered around whole, unprocessed foods, vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides a steady supply of nutrients, fiber, and beneficial compounds that support healthy cell function, stable blood sugar, and a balanced gut microbiome, all of which contribute to longevity. It's like running your sophisticated machine on premium, clean fuel, ensuring it purrs smoothly for decades. Imagine, as you drift deeper into your restful state, your body quietly absorbing the nourishment from wholesome foods, each nutrient a tiny worker contributing to cellular repair, defense, and vitality. Picture your cells, bathed in antioxidants, protected from inflammation, diligently maintaining their youthful vigor. This quiet, yet profound influence of your diet is the very fifth secret to understanding how long you can really live. It's a natural, ongoing process, a quiet testament to life's inherent dynamism and its profound connection to the nourishment it receives. Let the image of your plate as a colorful, vibrant source of longevity, settling peacefully in your mind. This is the heart of your body's daily sustenance, a journey that begins with the fundamental connection between food and life. Feel the quiet power of conscious nourishment, knowing that the very vitality you possess is influenced by these constant choices. Rest deeply now, with the gentle hum of your body's grateful cells, guiding you towards a truly peaceful slumber. Welcome back, peaceful traveler. As we continue our gentle exploration into how long can you really live in our last quiet chapter, we delved into the profound influence of your diet and nutrition, understanding how the quality of your fuel impacts your body's longevity. Now, as you drift even deeper into your serene state, let us contemplate another incredibly powerful and accessible tool for extending your healthy lifespan: the immense benefits of physical activity, a silent, rhythmic dance that invigorates your cells and rejuvenates your entire being. As you settle into your comfortable spot, feeling the quiet stillness of your surroundings, imagine your body not just as a machine that needs fuel, but also as a finely tuned instrument that needs to be played regularly to stay in optimal condition. Just as a musical instrument can become stiff and out of tune if left untouched, your body's systems thrive on movement. Regular physical activity isn't merely about building muscles or losing weight. It's a fundamental biological imperative that sends powerful anti-aging signals throughout your entire system. Think of the myriad benefits that regular movement brings, directly combating the very forces of aging we've already discussed. Combating chronic inflammation. Remember that subtle, destructive fire of chronic inflammation that silently smolders in the body. Physical activity acts like a gentle, yet powerful, extinguisher. When you engage in regular exercise, your body produces specific molecules, called myokines, from your contracting muscles. These myokines have potent anti-inflammatory effects, helping to calm down the systemic low-grade inflammation that contributes to aging and chronic diseases. It's like your muscles are actively sending out soothing signals throughout your body, putting out those tiny, harmful embers Neutralizing free radicals. While intense exercise can temporarily increase free radical production, regular moderate physical activity actually boosts your body's natural antioxidant defenses. It's like training your internal firefighters to be more efficient and numerous, making them better equipped to neutralize the free radicals that cause oxidative damage to your cells. This improved cellular defense reduces the cumulative wear and tear on your DNA, proteins, and cell membranes, contributing to more graceful aging. Maintaining telomere length. While exercise doesn't reverse telomere shortening, research suggests that regular physical activity is associated with longer telomeres in some studies, or at least a slower rate of telomere shortening, compared to sedentary individuals. This implies that movement might help preserve those vital protective caps on your chromosomes, allowing your cells to divide more times and maintain their youthful vigor for longer. It's as if each gentle step you take subtly extends the ticking of your cellular clock. Boosting cardiovascular health. Your heart is a muscle, and like any muscle, it becomes stronger and more efficient with regular exercise. A strong heart pumps blood more effectively, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body, and efficiently removing waste products. This improved circulation reduces the strain on your cardiovascular system, lowering the risk of heart disease and stroke, major contributors to reduced lifespan. Preserving muscle mass and bone density. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass sarcopenia and bone density osteoporosis. Physical activity, especially resistance training like lifting weights or using your own body weight, is incredibly effective at countering these age-related declines. Maintaining strong muscles supports mobility, balance, and reduces the risk of falls, while strong bones help prevent fractures, all of which contribute to independent and high-quality aging. Enhancing immune function. Regular, moderate exercise can actually strengthen your immune system, making your body more resilient to infections and diseases. It helps immune cells circulate more efficiently, improving their ability to detect and fight off pathogens, supporting brain health. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, promotes the growth of new brain cells, and stimulates the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF, a miracle grow for the brain. This helps maintain cognitive function, memory, and can reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, keeping your mind sharp as you age. Imagine your body quietly responding to your movements, from a gentle walk to a brisk swim, a yoga stretch to a joyful dance. Each movement is a quiet signal, telling your cells to be more efficient, to repair more diligently, to protect more vigilantly. It's a continuous, internal conversation where physical activity speaks the language of longevity, whispering encouragement to every system in your body. It's a profound feedback loop. The more you move, the better your body functions, and the more capable it becomes of resisting the natural wear and tear of time. This isn't about extreme athleticism or grueling workouts, but about consistency and finding joy in movement. Whether it's a daily walk in nature, gentle stretching, gardening, dancing, or more vigorous exercise, the simple act of moving your body regularly is a powerful investment in your future self. It's a testament to the elegant design of your biology, where activity itself becomes a form of medicine, a proactive shield against the forces of aging. Imagine, as you drift deeper into your restful state, your muscles gently lengthening and strengthening, your heart quietly pumping with newfound vigor, your cells diligently repairing and protecting themselves, all orchestrated by the simple act of movement. Picture your body as a vibrant, energetic instrument, constantly retuning itself through activity. ensuring it plays its melody for as long as possible. This quiet, yet profound influence of physical activity is the very sixth secret to understanding how long you can really live. It's a natural, ongoing process, a quiet testament to life's inherent dynamism and its profound connection to the active engagement with the world around it. Let the image of your body in gentle, rhythmic motion, settling peacefully in your mind. This is the heart of your vitality, a journey that begins with the fundamental connection between movement and life. Feel the quiet power of conscious activity, knowing that the very well-being you possess is influenced by these consistent choices. Rest deeply now, with the gentle hum of your body's grateful systems, guiding you towards a truly peaceful slumber. Welcome back, peaceful traveler. As we continue our gentle exploration into how long can you really live in our last quiet chapter, we delved into the profound influence of physical activity, understanding how movement invigorates your cells and rejuvenates your entire being. Now, as you drift even deeper into your serene state, let us contemplate perhaps the most fundamental, yet often undervalued, pillar of health and longevity, the immense, restorative power of sleep. It's not just a period of inactivity. It's your body's nightly symphony of repair, rejuvenation, and profound healing. As you settle into your comfortable spot, feeling your body sink deeper into the embrace of your bed, imagine the quiet stillness of the world as night descends. While your conscious mind drifts into dreams, your body embarks on a tireless journey of maintenance and restoration. Sleep is not a luxury. It is a biological imperative, as vital for your survival and longevity as food, water, or air. It's during these precious hours of slumber that your body performs crucial tasks that are impossible during waking hours. Think of your body as a bustling factory that runs all day, producing energy, processing information, and performing countless physical tasks. By night, this factory doesn't simply shut down, it switches to a specialized repair and maintenance mode. During deep sleep, your body diverts resources from active functions to essential restorative processes. Here are some of the remarkable, silent activities your body undertakes during sleep that directly impact your longevity. DNA repair and cellular housekeeping. Remember how free radicals cause oxidative damage to your DNA and cells during the day during sleep. Your cells work diligently to repair this damage. Specific repair enzymes become highly active, meticulously scanning your DNA for errors and fixing them, essentially patching up the tiny tears that occur throughout the day. It's like a dedicated cleaning crew moving through your cellular city, sweeping away accumulated waste products and mending any wear and tear. This process is crucial for preventing the buildup of damage that accelerates aging and leads to chronic diseases. Waste removal from the brain. Your brain, incredibly active during the day, accumulates metabolic byproducts. During sleep, a specialized system, often referred to as the glymphatic system, becomes highly active. This system acts like a waste disposal network, flushing out harmful toxins and waste proteins that build up in the brain. One such waste protein is beta amyloid, which is implicated in the development of Alzheimer's disease. Efficient removal of these toxins during sleep is vital for maintaining cognitive function and long-term brain health. Protecting against neurodegenerative conditions as you age. Hormone regulation and balanced sleep plays a critical role in regulating a vast array of hormones throughout your body. Hormones related to growth, appetite, like ghrelin and leptin, stress, like cortisol, and metabolism, like insulin, are all carefully balanced during sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation disrupts this delicate hormonal equilibrium, which can contribute to various age-related issues such as weight gain, insulin resistance, and increased inflammation, all factors that can accelerate aging. Proper sleep ensures your endocrine system functions smoothly, like a well-tuned orchestra. Immune system fortification. While you sleep, your immune system is hard at work, producing protective proteins called cytokines. These proteins are crucial for fighting infection and inflammation. Studies show that individuals who consistently get adequate sleep have stronger immune responses and are better able to ward off illnesses. It's during sleep that your body recharges its defenses, ensuring it's ready to fight off pathogens and maintain overall resilience against disease, a key component of a long, healthy life. Energy restoration. Beyond simply repairing damage, sleep allows your body to truly restore its energy reserves at a cellular level. Your metabolism slows down, and your body can efficiently replenish ATP adenosine triphosphate, the primary energy currency of your cells. This deep rest allows your systems to reset, ensuring they can operate at peak performance when you're awake. Imagine your body quietly embracing the darkness, sinking into a profound state of rest. And within that stillness, an unseen army of cellular repair crews, waste removers, and hormonal regulators diligently performing their nightly duties. Picture your DNA being meticulously mended, your brain being cleansed, and your immune system being fortified, all in preparation for the day ahead. This quiet, yet profound act of self-renewal is the very seventh secret to understanding how long you can really live. It's a natural, ongoing process, a quiet testament to life's inherent dynamism and its profound connection to the restorative power of rest. Let the image of your body, diligently repairing and rejuvenating itself as you sleep, settle peacefully in your mind. This is the heart of your daily restoration, a journey that begins with the fundamental need for rest. Feel the quiet power of conscious sleep, knowing that the very vitality you possess is profoundly influenced by these precious hours of nocturnal renewal. Rest deeply now, with the gentle hum of your body's grateful systems, restoring themselves in the quiet of the night, guiding you towards a truly peaceful slumber. Welcome back, peaceful traveler. As we continue our gentle exploration into how long can you really live, we've delved into the profound influences of genetics, telomeres, cellular damage, chronic inflammation, diet, physical activity, and sleep, all internal factors shaping your longevity. Now, as you drift even deeper into your serene state, let us expand our gaze beyond the confines of your body and contemplate the immense, often invisible, impact of your environment and lifestyle choices on your healthy lifespan. These external factors can subtly, yet powerfully, either accelerate or slow down the relentless march of time within you as you settle into your comfortable spot, feeling the quiet stillness of your surroundings. Imagine your body as a delicate, intricate instrument constantly interacting with the world around it. The air you breathe, the water you drink, the sounds you hear, the people you connect with. All these external elements contribute to the symphony of your well-being, and some can profoundly influence how gracefully your body ages. Think of the air itself. While seemingly invisible, it can carry tiny, unseen threats. Air pollution, whether from vehicle exhaust, industrial emissions, or even wildfire smoke, contains microscopic particles and harmful chemicals. When you breathe these in, they can penetrate deep into your lungs and even enter your bloodstream. These pollutants can contribute to the very oxidative damage and chronic inflammation we discussed earlier, accelerating cellular aging and increasing the risk of respiratory diseases, heart disease, and even certain cancers. Imagine your lungs diligently filtering trillions of tiny particles each day. A polluted environment makes that job far more challenging, leading to cumulative stress on your systems. Beyond the air, consider the subtle presence of environmental toxins in our modern world. These can include pesticides in food, chemicals in plastics, heavy metals in water, or industrial contaminants. While regulatory bodies strive to minimize exposure, chronic, low-level exposure to some of these substances can place a continuous burden on your body's detoxification systems. Your liver and kidneys work tirelessly to process and eliminate these toxins, but if the load is too high, it can lead to cellular stress, inflammation, and increased risk of disease over time, subtly chipping away at your longevity potential. It's like a quiet, persistent hum of subtle poisons, slowly wearing down your body's resilience. However, it's not just physical pollutants that impact your lifespan. The invisible forces of your daily life, particularly chronic psychological stress, play an enormous role. Stress is a natural response to challenging situations, and in short bursts, it can be beneficial. But prolonged, unmanaged stress, whether from work, relationships, financial worries, or simply the relentless pace of modern life, keeps your body in a perpetual state of fight or flight. This chronic activation of your stress response system floods your body with hormones like cortisol, which, while helpful in emergencies, can, over time, suppress your immune system, promote systemic inflammation, disrupt sleep patterns, and even accelerate telomere shortening. It's like constantly revving an engine, leading to premature wear and tear. Imagine, as you drift deeper into your restful state, your mind and body quietly reacting to the subtle pressures of your daily life. Picture the unseen effects of hurried schedules, anxious thoughts, or even noisy surroundings, slowly accumulating within you. This quiet, yet profound influence of stress is a testament to the powerful connection between your mental state and your physical well-being. Cultivating practices that reduce stress, mindfulness, meditation, spending time in nature, or engaging in hobbies can be powerful tools in promoting longevity. Conversely, some environmental and lifestyle factors can act as powerful promoters of longevity. Strong social connections and a supportive community, for instance, are consistently linked to longer, healthier lives. Humans are fundamentally social beings. Isolation and loneliness can be as detrimental to health as smoking or obesity, increasing inflammation and stress. Being part of a supportive network, feeling connected, and having a sense of purpose within a community can provide emotional resilience, practical support, and a buffer against life's challenges, all of which contribute to a longer, more vibrant existence. Access to clean water, nutritious food, and quality healthcare are also monumental environmental factors. Societies that provide these basic necessities widely enable their populations to live significantly longer, healthier lives compared to those without. These are not merely conveniences, but fundamental pillars of longevity. The choices you make about where you live, the air you breathe, the food you consume, and the communities you engage with, all subtly, yet profoundly, weave into the fabric of your lifespan. Imagine, as you drift deeper into your restful state, your life journey unfolding within a vast, intricate ecosystem of external influences. Picture the air you breathe, the water you drink, the relationships you nurture, all gently shaping the trajectory of your health and vitality. This quiet, yet profound, interplay between your inner biology and your external world is the very eighth secret to understanding how long you can really live. It's a natural, ongoing process, a quiet testament to life's inherent dynamism and its profound connection to the environment it inhabits. Let the image of your life intertwined with the subtle influences of your surroundings, settling peacefully in your mind. This is the heart of your personal longevity journey, a canvas painted by both internal genetics and external choices. Feel the quiet power of these unseen connections, knowing that the very well-being you possess is influenced by the delicate balance between your inner and outer worlds. Rest deeply now, with the gentle hum of your environment, subtly shaping your path, guiding you towards a truly peaceful slumber. Welcome back, peaceful traveler. As we continue our gentle exploration into how long can you really live, we've delved into the profound influences of genetics, telomeres, cellular damage, chronic inflammation, diet, physical activity, sleep, and the impact of your environment and lifestyle choices. Now, as you drift even deeper into your serene state, let us contemplate perhaps the most intriguing and humbling aspect of longevity, the concept of a biological limit, an invisible ceiling to the human lifespan that, despite all our scientific advancements, seems to remain a steadfast, unspoken boundary. As you settle into your comfortable spot, feeling the quiet stillness of your surroundings, imagine the incredible progress humanity has made in extending lives. A century ago, reaching the age of 70 or 80 was considered a remarkable feat. Today, it is increasingly common in many parts of the world. We have conquered many infectious diseases, improved sanitation, developed life-saving medicines, and advanced surgical techniques. Our average lifespan has dramatically increased, pulling more and more people closer to the theoretical maximum. But is there a point beyond which even the most perfect medical care and healthiest lifestyle simply cannot push? Think of it like a finely crafted clockwork mechanism. You can maintain it meticulously, clean its gears, lubricate its parts, and protect it from dust and rust. All these efforts will significantly extend its working life. But eventually, the materials themselves will degrade, the springs will lose their tension, or some microscopic fatigue will lead to an irreversible failure. The human body, for all its astonishing resilience and self-repair capabilities, is also a biological machine, built from materials that, over a very long time, inevitably wear down. This leads to the concept of a hard biological limit to human lifespan. While there's ongoing scientific debate about the exact number and whether it could ever be marginally extended, the evidence from supercentenarians individuals who live to 110 years or beyond suggests a powerful, perhaps unyielding, upper boundary. The oldest verified human on record, Jeanne Calment of France, lived to an extraordinary 122 years and 164 days. While her longevity is astounding, the number of people who live beyond 110 drops off dramatically, and the number who live past 115 is exceedingly rare, suggesting a biological ceiling is firmly in place. Consider the exponential increase in disease susceptibility with age. After a certain age, typically around 80 or 90, the incidence of multiple age-related diseases skyrockets. Even if you manage to avoid heart disease, cancer, stroke, and diabetes for a very long time, your overall physiological systems begin to show a cumulative decline. Your immune system becomes less robust immunosenescence. Your organs become less efficient. your ability to repair DNA diminishes, and your cellular senescence accumulates. It's as if multiple internal safety nets or redundant systems begin to fail simultaneously, making the body increasingly vulnerable to even minor stressors. Imagine, as you drift deeper into your restful state, your body's intricate systems, each a marvel of engineering, slowly and subtly losing a tiny fraction of their efficiency with each passing year. Picture the accumulation of microscopic damages, the gradual stiffening of tissues, the quiet decline in cellular energy production, all leading towards an inevitable, natural conclusion. This isn't a failure, but simply the inherent design of a biological system with a finite lifespan. We are built for a remarkable journey, but that journey has a natural endpoint. This biological limit is thought to be encoded deep within our very cells and the fundamental processes of aging. It's not about what disease you get, but about the general systemic decline in resilience that makes you increasingly susceptible to any disease and less capable of recovering from challenges. It's the silent, universal truth that all living things, from the smallest bacterium to the largest whale, eventually reach the end of their biological program. This contemplation is not meant to be a somber thought, but rather an invitation to appreciate the profound preciousness of the life you have. Understanding that there is a natural limit, rather than an endless horizon, can deepen your appreciation for each day, each moment, each connection. It shifts the focus from merely extending years to enhancing the quality of those years, making them vibrant, meaningful, and full of peace. The pursuit of immortality, or radical life extension, while a fascinating area of scientific inquiry, faces these profound biological barriers. While science may continue to find ways to extend healthy lifespan and push the boundaries of average longevity, the hard limit presents a challenge that may fundamentally be built into the very design of multicellular life. This humbling reality reminds us of the Earth's persistent mysteries, even as we unlock so many of its secrets. Imagine, as you drift deeper into your restful state, the quiet, unseen wall that defines the ultimate biological limit of human life. Picture the gentle, inexorable approach to this boundary, not with fear, but with a profound sense of the preciousness of your unique journey. This quiet, persistent reality of the biological limit is the very ninth secret to understanding how long can you really live. It's a natural, unavoidable consequence of the fundamental laws of biology, revealing the enduring elegance of our finite existence. Let the image of your life, a precious and finite journey within the vast expanse of time, settle peacefully in your mind. This is the origin story of your personal longevity, a journey that reveals the distinctions and enduring nature of biological existence. Feel the quiet power of these beautiful limitations, knowing that the very existence you enjoy is part of a colossal, dynamic system. Rest deeply now, with the gentle murmur of our body's finite but magnificent journey, guiding you towards a truly peaceful slumber. Welcome back, beloved dreamer, for one final Sator gentle whisper from The Sleepy Scientist. We have journeyed together through the intricate landscape of your own being, softly unraveling the profound mystery of how long can you really live. We began by exploring the fundamental blueprint of genetics and its influence on your inherent potential. We then delved into the microscopic world of your cells, uncovering the fascinating story of telomeres, those ticking biological clocks. Our exploration continued into the invisible battles within, from the relentless assault of cellular damage by free radicals to the subtle yet destructive fire of chronic inflammation. We then turned to the powerful influence of your lifestyle choices, understanding how your diet and nutrition serve as vital fuel, and how physical activity invigorates your cells and rejuvenates your entire being. We contemplated the immense, restorative power of sleep, your body's nightly symphony of repair. Our gaze expanded beyond your body to consider the profound impact of your environment and lifestyle choices, including pollution, stress, and social connections. And finally, we contemplated perhaps the most intriguing and humbling aspect of longevity, the concept of a biological limit, an invisible ceiling to the human lifespan, acknowledging the elegant finitude of our existence. As you lie here, fully relaxed, perhaps feeling the gentle pull of sleep drawing you deeper, let all these insights coalesce into a single, profound understanding. Your life's journey, its length and its quality, is a magnificent interplay of forces, both inherited and chosen, internal and external. It is a complex dance between the ancient wisdom encoded in your DNA and the daily choices you make, between the tireless work of your cells and the subtle influences of the world around you. There is no single magic bullet for longevity, but rather a harmonious orchestration of countless factors, each playing its vital part in the symphony of your existence. Think of the beauty in this intricate balance. Understanding the science of aging doesn't diminish the wonder of life. It deepens your appreciation for every breath, every moment, every connection. It shifts the focus from simply extending years to enriching them, making each day vibrant, meaningful, and full of peace. Knowing the biological mechanisms at play, from telomeres to antioxidants, from healthy diet to restorative sleep, empowers you to gently nudge the scales in favor of health and vitality, making your journey through time as graceful and fulfilling as possible. This journey into the science of longevity isn't just about learning facts. It's about connecting with the incredible resilience and inherent wisdom of your own body. It reminds us that what we perceive as simple and obvious, like growing older, is a miraculous cascade of billions of cellular events, a testament to nature's profound engineering. It is a humbling and inspiring realization, knowing that we are tiny universes within ourselves, yet capable of influencing the very trajectory of our time on this remarkable planet. There is a deep serenity in this knowledge. To understand the elegant processes that govern your lifespan is to find a sense of calm in the vast complexity of your own being. It's to realize that the body, for all its intricate parts, follows timeless, predictable biological principles. And within that predictability, there is a gentle, comforting rhythm, a biological pulse that has vibrated since the dawn of life and will continue its magnificent journey for generations to come. Your life is a precious, finite gift, and its unfolding is a profound part of this grand, ongoing natural symphony. So, as your mind quiets and your body grows heavy with peaceful sleep, take a moment to reflect on this profound connection to your own life's journey. Imagine your dreams now, perhaps filled with images of vibrant health, joyful movement, and serene rest, knowing that the very essence of your being is a story of magnificent, ongoing harmony. This knowledge isn't meant to keep you awake with thought, but to lull you into a deeper, more profound state of rest, knowing that the very path you walk through time is a beautiful, intricate dance of biology and choice. Let the quiet certainty of these scientific truths become a soothing lullaby. Feel the profound connection between your own stillness and the silent, majestic processes that constantly shape your existence. Your genetics, your cells, your diet, your movement, your sleep, your environment. All are part of this incredible, ongoing biological symphony. There is no need to grasp or to strive. Simply let go and allow the universe's inherent beauty and profound wisdom to carry you into a peaceful, dream-filled slumber, guided by the gentle, everlasting story of how long you can really live.